guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashley.
And today we are here to unbox our June Young Living Essential Rewards order. For those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company, but they also have a ton of oil infused products such as skincare products, supplements, all kinds of things. So Essential Rewards is basically where you are committed to spending at least $50 a month on essential oils or other products from Young Living, and you get that box shipped to you monthly. You get to pick and choose what comes to you in your box, and you can change it to however you want. You can change the dates. It's very flexible. So we're going to dive right into our box to see what we got for this month. I've got my packing slip. I'm going to keep it handy just to make sure that I've received everything that I was supposed to get in this box. All right, Ashlyn, go ahead and dive in. What's the first thing that you see? Whoa. They package everything very, very well. So the first thing is this coconut lime body butter. And I am a big fan of the lavender hand and body lotion. Ashlyn even likes the body lotion, don't you?
Like the smell.
It smells really good. But I was looking for something maybe a little heavier for summer. And so I thought this one would be a good scent. So I'm going to try to peel the top up a little bit. Ooh, it smells really good. You want to smell it? I can feel it on my fingers. It feels very silky and smooth. So this was probably going to be a really good nighttime, thicker body lotion for after you've had your bath and you've shaved your legs. But I thought it would be perfect for summertime. So Ashlyn, if you'll put that up there. Okay, what's next? Ooh, this is also a new product this month. This is the Breathe Again Roller. And I thought this would be good. I only have the deep relief roll-on and I love it, but I thought this would be good for to support the upper respiratory system. So let's open it up and take a smell. Ooh, looks like it may have leaked out a little bit. Very eucalyptus-like, because it's a blend of a bunch of eucalyptus.
It kind of smells like lemongrass.
So lemongrass. So it looks like this, and it would be good for like rolling on the chest and things like that. So let's read what the Breathe Again Roller has in it. So it says, Breathe Again Roll-On features 4 types of eucalyptus essential oils, including eucalyptus blue, which is grown and distilled at the Young Living Farm in Ecuador. It contains coconut oil, eucalyptus stegerana, I don't even know how to say that, eucalyptus globulus, eucalyptus radiata, eucalyptus blue, Laurus nobilis, peppermint, copaiba, myrtle, blue cypress, rosehip. And it says apply generously to chest and neck as desired. So I think this is just really good for opening up the airways, and so I thought that would be good to have on hand. Next is, hold that up there for him, this Orange Blossom facial wash. Now I've been using the Orange Blossom facial wash for quite a while. I use it as my nighttime facial cleanser, but they have reformulated it, and so I'm kind of curious to see what it's like. And it looks like this, and it has this like little pump on it now, because I was used to the one before where you would just pour it into a foaming hand soap container and add some water to it. So I'm gonna try to squirt. Oh, that's not good. It doesn't want to squirt. Smell good? Smells a little different. So I'll be interested to see how that works.
I don't even know what it smells like.
You want to smell again?
Oh.
It does not smell the same as the one that I used to use. So I'm curious to see how that works and try it. What's next, Ashlyn? Okay, this is the Young Living Acne Treatment. Go ahead and hold that up there. Find that's a little bright in it. There we go. And they came out with this earlier, maybe last year, and I've been using that. I struggle with like acne breakouts on my chin and around like my nose area and things like that. And so this is made with wintergreen, and I really like that product. On to the tubes, Ashlyn. First tube. You know, these tubes can be a little tricky. first is, this is Spearmint. And we've had Spearmint before. We just ran out of it because I gave it to my oldest daughter to use in her diffuser. So I thought I would just get another little bottle of that. Next is Citrus Fresh. We love Citrus Fresh. It's great. I like to use it plus like 1, maybe 2 drops of spearmint because it has spearmint in it. And so I really like that one. It's a great summer essential oil. And I gave my daughter a bottle of that, the leftover of my bottle of that too. So I thought I needed to get another one. Okay, next. What do we have, Ashlyn?
Orange.
Oh yes, we get orange almost every single month because it's just a staple in our house. We use it all the time. Next is
Lime.
oh, lime was a freebie this month with a qualifying order, and you know, we diffuse a lot of lime and stress away this time of year, so that's a good one to get for free. Next, oh, got one more in there. Let me see what it is. Oh, Citronella. Citronella was also a freebie, and this is good for helping to deal with some of those outdoor annoyances we deal with this time of year. So, and that was a freebie as well. Okay, we got a couple more tubes. Those are empty. Let's open it up. This one's packaged with one of those little brown slips in a bag. So go ahead and open that up. What is it? Stress away. Yeah, just like I told you, we like to diffuse lime and stress away, so I like to keep that on hand. It smells so good. That goes, you can see I got a little theme going here, lime and stress away with my products here. Okay, so this one is wrapped up really tight like this. Got like a double wrapping. That's interesting.
Ooh,
You should be able to still open up the end. Here, try that. And this is Northern Lights Black Spruce, and that was also a freebie for this month, which I love this. I don't diffuse it a lot during the summertime, but I definitely use it a lot when I start getting those fall vibes. I start diffusing that in the fall and winter, so that was also a freebie. So let me check my packing slip to make sure I have everything. So we have the Orange Blossom Facial Wash. We have Citrus Fresh. Knocking stuff over. We have Northern Lights Black Spruce, which was one of our freebies. We have Spearmint. We have Stress Away. We have the Acne Treatment. We have the Body Butter. Whoa.
Whoops.
The Coconut Lime Body Butter. We have the Breathe Again Roll On. The Lime. The Orange. And the Citronella. So it looks like we got everything in our order for this month. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite Young Living products are. And if you're interested in knowing more about Young Living, feel free to contact me. I will leave my membership number down in the description box below. So if you're curious, members get 24% discount on all products. So it is worth it to be a member. Even if you don't sign up for the Essential Rewards program, it's worth it. So until next time, bye guys.